Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to be doing the end of my mid-year empties. I have a big mishmash of random things, just different vendors that I have here. I did my my three major ones: Super Tarts, VCS, Rose Girls, and Super Tarts. Oh God. Super Tarts, VCS, Rose Girls, and Scoopable Tart Wax, which I kind of put together. And then this is just kind of everything else, kind of the random vendors that I warmed through this past year. Surprisingly, I only have one bathing garden clam. I guess I didn't warm a lot of bathing garden, or maybe I did it more at the beginning of the year and not so much towards the end. I don't know. Like, I feel like I did, but I guess I didn't. I have no idea. All right, so today is going to be a cleaning day, so I literally have to kind of like roll these out, and I'll probably take pictures of the all of my empties all together and put it on my Instagram. If you're not following me over on Instagram, I have been trying to post to like stories more and maybe try to be a little bit more active over there, just because I feel like when I'm not making a video, I like connecting with you guys, and I do like seeing your guys' stories as well. I do try to accept everyone that requests, because sometimes like your account might be private, or I can't tell if you're a wax person or a lush person or maybe a cleaning person. So I don't know. I'm all like, my channel's all over the place. I realized the other day I have over 700 videos. Like, what in the hell? What is going on? Okay. No wonder I can't get anything done, right? Let's jump into this. So I'm going to start out with Golden Willow waxes, and I just have a few here. Now, Golden Willow wax, is it waxes? Golden Willow wax? I don't know. I just have GWW. It was introduced to me by my friend Candy, and Golden Willow has some really great scents. So I don't remember a lot of them. I'm just going to go through them. So my friend Candy did send me some samples. Luna goes coconuts. So I'm not going to like go into much. I don't have scent descriptions or anything. Siren Song. Gathering of the Seaside Witches. This one I remember really well. This is Dumbledore's Password, and this one was Lemon Sherbet. I wish more people would do like a lemon sherbet, because I don't like orange sherbet, but lemon sherbet was so good. If I could get this one again, I definitely would. Dumbledore's Password. And I remember getting a pretty decent scent through. I can't remember right now. I remember I didn't get, it was definitely not a no-throw type situation, so I would definitely order from Golden Willow again. So Summer Muslins. I do have more Golden Willow, so I will be doing like a better review later on. I might try to warm her stuff like all together in one go. Luna does her laundry. She also has a lot of Harry Potter themed stuff, which I love. Baby Girl's Fave Blanket. And, oh, another Summer Muslins. I probably warmed these two together since they're small little, like 1 ounce scent shot cups, I think those are. Okay, what should we do? Oh, let's do Sassy Girl Aroma, since I have it sitting right here. So Sassy Girl Aroma, this I got as my friend Lauren sent me a huge sampler of like Sassy Girl Aroma stuff, and I was freaking in love. I need to find those, and my office area is a disaster right now, but I need to find the sampler that she sent me, because she sent me a bunch of good stuff. This is one of them, Brown Sugar and Fig, and I absolutely loved this scent. This scent was amazing. I love Brown Sugar and Fig. I wish more vendors would do that in mixes and stuff. I finished a bag of Volcano Cotton Candy. Not my favorite. I don't think I like cotton candy, as weird as that sounds. Like, I like the Volcano scent, but that is super fruity, and then you put the cotton candy on top of it, and it was just like really fruity, too sweet for me. Latte Whipped Cream. You guys know I love her latte scents. Now, some people have commented back to me and said that her lattes are too sweet for them, and I totally understand that. I realize it's not for everyone, but if you like coffee scents, I love her latte blends, and her coffee blends too. I've had a few good coffee blends. This one I got, and I'm trying to remember, was it from Shannon? Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is from Shannon. Wishy Washy. She sent me a laundry, like a little laundry sampler. Gain Blackberry Lemonade Pink Chiffon. Now, I ordered a bunch of laundry scents before I really, like, I kind of I don't know. I think I destashed some of them because I went crazy with the laundry scents, but I think this one was pretty. I think I have a bag of this I need to whip into and remember, but thank you, Shannon, if you happen to be watching. I really enjoyed that one. Ocean Breeze, Sisters in Pink. I don't think I liked this one. I can't remember what the scent notes are, but I don't think I like that. I mean, it doesn't stand out to me. Stress Relief, Sugar Violet Petals. This is another one that I was just kind of like, it was good for the time, but it wasn't a favorite. I get a good throw from Sassy Girl Aroma as well. I don't have any issues with scent throw, so I have a bunch of Sassy Girl to get through this year. This is Strawberry Kiwi Fizzy Pop. This is a great, like if you like those ginger ale fizzy pop type notes, this is Strawberry and Kiwi was a great mix. And I had I think this was a loaf actually. I got through the entire loaf. All right, let's move on to Hayden Rowe. I went ahead and I think I finished out most of my Hayden Rowe. I think I have some ducks left over, some like samples to still use up, but most of my Hayden Rowe I went through like I did kind of like a review, not a review, but I just warmed all of her stuff in 1 week, I think. Excuse me, I'm sorry. So I'm gonna try and remember, I don't know, I don't remember the ducks that much. So I have some samples. I think these are samples. Ocean Water, I think I really liked this one, Ocean Water. Marie Antoinette, I think that one was maybe a little bit floral for me, but I think I did like it. Christmas Clouds, I think that's White Clouds and Vanilla Bean Noel. Cabana, which I think was like a fruity, and then Fresh Air, which I think pretty much speaks for itself there. Okay, and then I did Sun Dried Laundry. Surprisingly, I can't remember if I like that one or not. Spindrift, I think this is like a Tide. I think it might have been a little too laundry for me. I got a great throw from Hayden Rowe though. I do remember I did like most of her scents as far as throw went. Black Linen, I think I really liked this one. If you're interested, you could probably search through my videos and watch like the dedicated week that I did Hayden Rowe. Beach Towels, I have Love written on the back, so I guess I liked that one. Pressed Linen. I think I even said in my last vendor empties that I was going to take better notes, and I didn't. Apricot Rose, which I put was not too floral, so because I think I was scared it was going to be a little bit floral, too floral. Lavender Fizz, I put that this smells exactly like Zape's lavender soda, which I know everyone loves lavender soda, but I thought this one was really strong, so there's that. And then Kitchen Towel, I think I really liked this one. I feel like I did. There was one in here that I really loved that week that I warmed. Bermuda Sands, I don't really remember that one. Sea Salt. Lime Cotton Candy Fizz. I don't have any notes on that one. This one, oh, I think it was Zen Garden. I think I absolutely adored Zen Garden. I think Zen Garden was like a, oh my gosh, I can still smell it in here. Yes, I did love Zen Garden. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh man, I might have to go get some Zen Garden. That smells really, really good. I don't even know how to describe it. It's like a, God, it almost smells like a laundry, but it's not. Oh man, Zen Garden Mama might be coming to get ya. Okay, so next I have Tiffany Candles. I don't really know what's going on over at Tiffany Candles. She changed her name to, is it Scarlet Rose? I don't know. I haven't been over to her site in forever. I just know there was a change, and not a change in her wax, I don't think. I can't really say because I don't really know. I haven't been over there. I haven't been following the group or anything, so I don't really know. This is just what I have from this last year. So I did from the Salty Sea Air Sampler. I've had this forever. So I had to, the bags on the Salty Sea Air Sampler, she changed her labels. Like they just went like missing. Like they disappeared on the, but I know she's changed that since then. So I had pink sugar and strawberry. I might have mixed those. I did really like this one, her rosemary mint with vanilla lace overpour. This is a great one, chunklets. I really like her rosemary mint, and then mixed with vanilla lace was amazing. And then I really have always liked her 3-packs. Even though there's not like a super strong throw on these, I have always just really enjoyed her 3-packs. I don't know if she still has them. I kind of hope she does. It was a nice lavender scent, medium high, for about 2 hours, and then I didn't get any throw, so maybe that one wasn't the best, but I never mind her 3-packs that much. This one was strong. This is Ocean Overlook. Saltwater Taffy, which I put strong, steady throw. So now when I do her 3-packs, I do all 3 Teddy Tarts, not in one warmer. I put them in 3 different warmers. Rose Jam, I put was a medium strong. Blood Orange. I don't love Blood Orange, so I probably didn't love that one. Fizzy Pops. I might have mixed Blood Orange and Fizzy Pops now that I think about it. Let's see. Circus Concession, which I had cotton candy, caramelized apples, funnel cake, strong. And then at 2 hours, it started to fade. So there's that. This is, yeah. I don't remember if I loved that one or not, Circus Concession. I do like her Fluffy Marshmallow. Passion Melon. Oh, this one I put was strong, only melon scent I ever liked. So that's like if you don't like melon scents, like I don't like honeydews, I don't like watermelon. Passion Melon was great though. Oh, this one was good. This one was Winter Fall. This one was vanilla with hints of peppermint. Strong, soft peppermint is what I put. So Saltwater Taffy, no notes. This is from the Salty Sea Air sampler. I had a lemon and a lavender. That one, yeah, if you know what, actually, if you're curious of more of Tiffany candles, I think I did a dedicated week where I've only warmed her this past year. So if you just go down like through like maybe August or something, July or August. Sunwashed Linen, I love this scent. This is one of my favorites. Sex Bomb Type, which is the Lush dupe. And then I did some samples, some High Maintenance and Champagne and Fresh Strawberries. Don't remember either of those. And then the last Tiffany candles I have is Amazing Grace. I love Amazing Grace in wax, so that smells good. I need to get some more of that in my life. So yeah, so I haven't been on her site in a while. If you're interested in more of like what I said about her wax earlier this year, I probably have like a video where I just did Tiffany candles, but now it's Scarlet Rose, and I don't know, I haven't been on the site, so I don't know like what she's offering now or whatever, but I always like the 3-packs and then her chunklets. I think she's got some different things, but anyways, okay. I have a random, I forgot, Super Tarts Lorelei. This came from Devon. I just found this one kind of sitting around. And I can't remember what the scent notes are. I feel like it's like coffee, a coffee scent. And I can't remember if I liked it or not, to be honest. Okay, and then, so I wish Sugar and Spice, I don't know. Sugar and Spice. She's had some like random openings. I really liked this scent though. Love Spell Warm Vanilla Sugar. This stuff is probably getting a little bit on the older side, so I probably need to get some of that out and start warming it, because I feel like, I don't know like what the shelf life is of Sugar and Spice, and I don't want it to go bad. Amazing Grace Cream Soda. I think these are blends that I did. I've always loved her because you can do your own blends. Cotton Candy Frosting and Rain Barrel. And Whipped Cream. I probably mixed that with something, but who knows what. So there's that. Okay, and I have Ava's Country Cupboard Pumpkin Pecan Milkshake. I've always loved this blend. I get this I try to get it every year. I didn't get it this year though, but it comes out at like fall time. So this is from 2016, but I always get a good strong throw from this. It's like a nutty shake scent. I love it. Candles from the Keeping Room, Ambrosia Fruit Salad. I think I got this like in a D-stash as a freebie, and I liked this. Really, really liked that. This is kind of a random, but this is Kay's Creation Sugared Ribbon Cookies. If anyone knows, is Kay's still doing wax? I don't know. I love her ribbon cookies though, so her ribbon cookies and her blue, oh, this might be blue ribbon cookies with the sugared part added in. I love her blue ribbon cookie scent. And then I have a random Bonjour Wax company. I still have a bunch of her wax, but it's palm wax. And I don't know. I'm not really sure. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I have a bunch, and yeah, I just don't know. I feel like I need to warm through it. Otherwise, it's just a big waste of money. But I didn't dislike, like pretty much some of the stuff I warmed, I got good throws from, and I did enjoy it. So I'll have to try some of it and see if it's still warming well or what. But I know she changed her formula, I think maybe this year or maybe last, and it's not palm wax anymore. I think it's like a blend of like soy and paraffin or something. I don't know. And then I had Two Timing Tart, which is no longer making wax, honeyed rice. I'm so sad. She had some really unique blends, some really great stuff, but she, yeah, is not making wax anymore. So, yeah, that's sad. But this one was a great one. I loved her. I love a lot of her scents, to be honest. But she is, yeah, donezo, I guess. She's doing some other stuff. I don't know. I think at some point she said she might make some wax. I follow her Facebook page. I thought she said something about maybe putting some wax out there, but I don't know. Like I said, I'm not really buying, and I'm not really like actively looking either. So yeah, but I miss Two Timing Tart a lot. That was a great vendor. So yeah, so that is just a quick little overview. So people that I'm still like purchasing from, or like that I have a lot of wax left, I have Sassy Girl Aroma. I definitely order from Hayden Rowe again. Definitely order Golden Willow Wax. Super Tarts is obvious. Tiffany candles, I would look into probably, like I'll probably look into it a little bit later this year and maybe try to put in a small order for something, because I do have some favorites from her, but I still have some of the chunk bags from her. And then who else do I have back there? I think that's it. I think I covered all my bases. Oh, I definitely order from Candles from the Keeping Room and Sugar and Spice. I mean, who doesn't love Candles from the Keeping Room? Carol is so freaking awesome. I have not ordered, I'm not, like I get stuck in these things where I just order from certain people, but Candles from the Keeping Room, like if I had unlimited funds, I would order from her every opening. She's got some really great stuff. Super nice lady. Always gives you a bunch of samples. Just really, really nice. So yeah, Kay's Creation, the same thing. I would order from her all the time if I had unlimited funds, but I just kind of stick to like my regulars for now. But did I miss anyone? I don't think so. Oh, and Ava's as well. I do like Ava's. Ava's does have some blends that I like as well. So yeah, that's it. And Sugar and Spice, of course. I always want to order from Sugar and Spice. I love Sugar and Spice wax, all like as a whole. I love that you can blend and all that jazz. Okay, I think I've spread the love here. All right, if you guys have ordered from any of these vendors and like them or whatever, probably the one that like I'm eyeballing the most is Hayden Rowe, because I remember warming the week I warmed through her stuff and I really enjoyed that. And then I do have some Golden Willow waxes that I will do like a more dedicated week on, because I do have quite a bit of Golden Willow wax. Okay, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I always appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye guys.